Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be talking about the 30-day challenge that I had taken of posting reels every single day for the month of April. Today I will be absolutely honest with you all and present all the stats and the numbers, and we will be actually dealing with a lot of numbers in this video, so get excited for that. And let's begin this video without a further ado. So like any other video, even this video will have the timestamps in the description box below, and we will divide this video into many parts. The first part will be like why I did this challenge firstly, second will be how I did this challenge, third will be what difference this challenge made to my Instagram or my YouTube, fourth would be my recommendation, like whether I recommend it to you all or not, and fifth and the last point will be my tips for you all and the things that I learned from this challenge. So let's get started. So the point one is why I did this challenge. So basically I did this challenge as a fun challenge only. I wasn't expecting much, to be honest. So one day I was checking my YouTube's analytics and I saw that major part of my audience are coming from Instagram. So I thought of boosting my Instagram so that the audience over here will be diverted to my YouTube, and in a way my YouTube will grow. Okay, so that's the reason I thought of focusing a little bit more on Instagram, because Instagram for me is not a platform where I want to invest my time in, honestly speaking, because I do not like the algorithm. Okay, Instagram's algorithm is a little difficult to understand, so it is not my cup of tea, but I still chose to do this because I saw that reels are something which are gaining a lot of popularity. And honestly, on Instagram right now, if you are posting a picture of anything, it is not engaging than any reel that you are posting, because reels are getting a lot of views and engagement. So that is why I thought of starting with reels. I was already posting reels before this, but it was only like 3 times a week. So then I thought of like taking up this challenge where I'm posting reels like every single day for April. April was a month where I did not have so much of academic pressure, so it was a good opportunity to grab, and I did it. And my goals for this challenge was that firstly I wanted to reach 150 followers on Instagram. Then the second goal was that I wanted to hit 10k views at least on any reel, on any one of the reel. Third goal was that I wanted to increase my engagement a lot, and I wanted that I am converting that audience to my YouTube channel. So this is the reason why I chose this challenge. Now let's go to how I did this challenge. I actually pre-filmed a bit of videos, like 2 to 3 videos before April began, but I listed down 30 ideas that I want to create reels on. Okay, I just wrote anything that came into my mind. I did not execute all the 30 ideas. I was bit when I had to shoot that idea, I was not happy with it, so I had to drop it and I had to choose some other idea, but it was fine. I was also asking my audience as in what kind of videos they want to see on my Instagram. So that is why I wrote down the ideas. I was scrolling Instagram a lot during those days because I was trying to get inspiration from someone who has similar content like me. Then I was also checking on the trends. Okay, we will come on trends because trends is a very controversial topic and I want to take that thing, but we will come to that later on. And I was eliminating and including new ideas every single day. I was scrolling Instagram and I noticed the audios that people are using. I used to save the audios which I connected with and which were like grabbing my attention. So yes, I did that. I will show you my Instagram growth before that reels challenge. I need to like wear my specs for that. Firstly, I'm giving an average estimate. Okay, I don't know the exact numbers, but my Instagram was very dry, that page, but once I started posting reels, I reached around 4,694 accounts, and that was like my engagement rate was around 1800%. So you can actually see that this was my reach count, and you can see the followers I had around 116 followers, and 116 followers with a reach of 4,600 is, I feel that it's a very big number, and that boosted my confidence that yes, I'm doing a right thing and I should continue doing it. But I saw that it is very important to stay up with trends, because people are, how much ever you hate trends, you need to do a thing or two which is trending, because that is how you will be noticed and you will pop on everyone's feed. And I did this challenge wherein I experimented this, wherein I showed my face where I was doing a trending reel, okay, a trending dance or reel, you can say. And I saw that that video reached most views during that period, and in my reach also grew very much during that time. I will tell you what it is. From 4,694 reach, my account was then around 10,602, because I showed my face and I was doing something which is trending at that moment. And even the ratio of gender, earlier it used to be like 80% girls and 20% boys, and I got 51% ratio of men and 48% for females. So you can see that showing your face is something which will get you views and engagement. So you can see that with each passing week my engagement was increasing. From 10,000 it went to 14,000 in the second week, okay. And the second week was pretty low, to be honest, because I was not showing my face again. So I thought that I should be making reels wherein I am also showing my face, so that people feel more connected to the video. And I even saw a growth in my subscribers count. My estimate subscriber increase for a month is around 39-40, because that is how much subscribers I gain a month. 39, 35, in 30s only I gain subscribers. But when I started posting reels, my subscriber count went from 30 to 50s. So there was a difference of 20 subscribers, and I got 20 more new subscribers on my channel. This video is basically for small YouTubers and small creators and small business owners, because even one subscriber gain feels good when you have a small channel. And now let's come to part 4, which says that will I recommend this to other people? Honestly, I will definitely 100% recommend it to you if you are looking for growth and more exposure. This is a very nice opportunity for you, trust me. I reached my goal of reaching 150 followers, and it made me really happy. And I also saw growth on my YouTube, and I quickly grew from 350 to 400. So yes, it definitely is something which will help you boost your presence on social media. To tell you one thing, that after finishing this 30 reel challenge, the last reel which I posted was a cold coffee reel, okay. So that had somewhere around 1500 views only, okay. But after 2 weeks of completing this challenge, that reel actually went viral in the sense that I got somewhere around 8,000 views on that after 2 weeks of posting it. So you can imagine that Instagram's algorithm is very difficult to understand. You don't know what works and what not, but you should keep trying and experimenting new things. Like I experimented each and every day. I tried including something new. So now let's come to the last but not the least part. It is that my tips and learnings that I learned from this challenge. First and number one tip would be to be consistent and not give up, and not be worried about views. If you are getting 100 views, 200 views, it is fine. You need to keep posting. You will get a hold of people who will like your content. So just keep posting. You need to check numbers, but don't let it be the only source of motivation for you. You need to keep in mind that there are many other things that affect your engagement, okay. So please focus on content, because in the end content is king and nothing beats that. Second would be that please show your face on reels. It's not like you need to show it every single time, but here and there you should pop on your feed and show your face. Thirdly, do not worry about people judging you, okay. I was little skeptical, because posting reels back to back was I was thinking that whether I'm spamming people with my reels and they would get annoyed. But then I was like, it is my account, it is my choice, and I'm doing it for my sake. So why am I worried about what people will think? If someone is getting annoyed, you may just unfollow me or just like mute me, it is fine. But I did my thing. I was absolutely not ashamed of it, because it is something which I need to grow my work. And the next thing that I would say is that keep up with trends. It is definitely not everyone's cup of tea. It is definitely not mine, because I don't like to do things which everyone is doing, because it doesn't make sense to me. But then I'm like, to get the exposure, you have to do trends somewhere or the other. And the next thing that I would say is that keep it short. I know reels are of 30 seconds and 15 seconds, but try to keep it around 15 only, because people have a very small attention span who are watching reels. It has to be like very like hooking, so that people's attention is hooked at the first 3 seconds, and that is enough. Don't think that you need to utilize all the 30 seconds. No, you can even post something which is only 15 seconds long, and it will get you views. I'm sure for that. And the next thing that I would say is, don't worry about the quality of the reel. Reels are very casual, so just focus on the audio part. That would be important, and don't worry about the quality. You can start with your smartphone, but honestly, I did not use this phone. I was shooting most of the things from my camera itself, but it doesn't matter. I have seen people with bad quality but good audio get views in like millions, so it is absolutely fine. So now let's wrap up the video, and this was my experience and learnings from this challenge. I hope you liked it, and I would definitely recommend it for you all. I'm actually very glad I did this, and it is kind of unbelievable for me, because I did not think that I would be able to pull it off, but I did it. So thanks to you guys, thanks to my friends for pushing me so much. And that is it from today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, I've seen that my viewers are mostly not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe and leave a like below. And that is it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.